Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find information about your warranty on HONOR MagicBook 14. In order to do so, you need to find the serial number, which is at the bottom of your device. So this is how it looks. You can see the sticker with a barcode, and then there is your serial number. Now, I don't really get why, but you need to go to the Huawei website, not the HONOR website, because I've tried going to the HONOR website and it didn't work. So either of them, I just recommend searching for either HONOR or Huawei warranty check and choose any of those. I'm gonna choose the Huawei because I know that the HONOR won't work for some reason. And I'm gonna go to the warranty period and support service query. Then I just need to select my country or region. I don't know if it is supposed to be the region of where it was bought, so over where it was activated. So I'm gonna choose something like the Canada, whatever, because it was from Germany, the laptop. So I'll just see if it's available. Let's try entering the serial number, of course. Then enter the verification code and click on search. And I think it didn't find it like for the Canada support. So I just need to select the country that it was bought in. It makes it a bit complicated, because if you buy it from second hand, then you may just not know where it was bought. But I'm gonna enter that code, and then enter the verification code and click on search, and it will find all the info. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.